Good morning children, welcome in your moral teaching class. Children, today we are going to read lesson number 12 of your moral teaching book, Unity in Diversity. From this lesson you will learn about Indian culture. Children, India is a country of rich culture where people of different religions live together. It is this diversity. Diversity means variety, difference. So it is the varieties or differences which makes our country different from other countries. It means Indian culture is a mixture of many cultural systems. Children, let us learn more about our Indian culture. Let's start reading. India is a land of unity in diversity. It is a diverse country where people of many religions live together peacefully with their own separate cultures. So, India is a land of unity in diversity. So, children, unity in diversity means oneness in the varieties. In India, people of many religions, race, cultures and traditions live together peacefully. Culture is a broad term which means the way of behaving with others, our ideas, our customs, arts, handicrafts, food habits, festivals, music and dance. People of different religions follow different cultures. Children, culture means people's way of life. The Indian culture varies because of the population diversity. On different places, people speak in different languages, they dress differently, they follow different religion, eat different food, but whether it is a happy occasion or a moment of sorrow or grief, people participate wholeheartedly and feeling the happiness or pain. Children, some of the religions practiced in our country are Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism and Zoroastrianism. The official language of India is Hindi. Besides Hindi, hundreds of other languages are also spoken in our country. Indians are always known for their mild and gentle behavior. Children, gentle means kind and friendly. The people of India are very kind and friendly in their behavior. Our country is a land of rich cultures where people have humanity. Humanity means quality of being caring about the feelings of others. And tolerance. Tolerance is the quality of allowing the other people to say or do as they like, even if you do not agree or approve of it. Unity, secularism. Secularism means treating people of different religions equally and a strong social bond. So children, Indian people are known for their caring and calm nature. Our constitution gives equal importance to all religions and people of India also respect and value each other's religious feelings. They live together with love, peace and brotherhood. Our culture always teaches us to behave well, respect elders, care for helpless people, and help the needy and poor people. On the next page, children, some of the special features of our rich culture are worshipping God, keeping fast, and offering water to the sun god, saying, which is used to say Surya Namaskar. So it is our religious culture that we should keep fast, do worship, offer Ganga Jal, and do Surya Namaskar. Touching the feet of elders in family and taking their blessings. Children, touching the feet, which is called Charan Sparsh. According to Hindu tradition, when we touch the feet of an elder, we turn blessed with knowledge, strength, and fame. Greeting others by folding of both hands together as Namaskar, which means I bow to the divine in you. So children, in Indian culture, when we meet someone, we used to say him or her Namaskar with folded hands to pay him or her respect. Indian families are closely knit with many family members living in the same house. The grandfathers, fathers, sons, and grandsons share the same spirit, tradition, and property. So children, here we are talking about a joint family. Indians are still following the tradition of joint family, which creates strong bonding, respect, and care among family members. Doing yoga and meditation. Children, meditation means think deeply about morals or religious topics. So doing yoga and meditation is the part of Indian culture which keeps us fit, strong, healthy, and happy. Welcoming guests like God. We believe in Atiti Devo Bhava. Guest is our God. So children, we Indians always welcome our guest like a God. Even after so much diversity, we all are united as citizens of India. We should be proud of our rich culture and stand united like this always. Children, variety of eras came and gone, but no one was so powerful to change the influence of our real culture. Here, people of different views on life, religion, social and political systems, creating a civilized nation through their noble behavior and thoughts. So children, what are the reflections of this lesson? Reflections are, we may celebrate our individual religion, cultures and diversities, but as a country and its citizens, we always stand united. So children, what is the moral of this lesson? Moral is we should respect the rich culture of our country and always stay united. Thank you, children.